Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm stoked you're here, and I am stoked this is here. This is going to be one of my epic Grail unboxings, and it is brought to me courtesy of Brother Carco, who put together a super fair deal with me. And before I break into this, I want to say thank you to all my channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate all your support. And I want to say thank you to everyone who comes through to check out my knife and EDC content. And if you're so inclined, I always invite you to please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon. It'll notify you when things happen on the channel, and it'll also really help out the channel. So let's just get into this knife, because this is what I would say is a level 10 Grail. I mean, this is a knife that I have been oogling for quite a while, and I had seen a couple up for sale, and as most of the people in the community are, Brother Carco knew I was hunting this particular knife. And being the upstanding knife collector, sharer, procurer of cool shit guy, he's very willing to let others experience things, right? So he had a couple of these knives. Oh my gosh, he's thrown in a bonus. Something I was not expecting. I'm going to set that off to the side. A bunch of stickers. What a freaking champ he is. Guys, Carco hooked me up, and I will put these in future giveaways. I'm going to have to keep that one. But some killer OG stickers, NC Blade. I found out, what is that? What is that? Said faction? OMG. Queen Bee, Bee's Blades, Mrs. Bees. Southern Edges, OG Scales, King Snake Jake, Welcome to the Snake Pit, and Knife Modders. Man, those are stickers I don't have. I am stoked. Carco, buddy, you are an absolute hero. So, what we have here is a knife from CKF Custom Knife Factory. Not just any knife. It is a knife that originally had these micarta insets. It's a knife that I have wanted forever, and it is the Evo 3.0 with a catch that makes it immensely more valuable to me and more special to me. These scales were handmade by Brother Bill, Pro-X, if I'm not mistaken. And guys, I'm here to tell you that my expectations are like exceeded. Right now I'm like not believing this knife is in my house. Guys, in my opinion, and I've said this I think all along, as long as I've had my channel, In my opinion, this is the sexiest knife I think made, right? The Evo 3.0. It fits my hand like a frickin' glove. To me, and again, bear with me because I've got a squirrel brain, but this is the modern interpretation of a strider. I mean, it's kind of like where maybe that design could have evolved to. I don't know why I say that. To me, it just looks so futuristic. The action is so freaking good. I loved the bark titanium. The carbon fiber is absolutely next level. I love the black washed M390 blade. I love the backspacer. I am over the moon, guys. I mean, this is a Grail that I have kind of always walked around because I felt like it was too big for me. And then you guys might remember my brother A to Z EDC let me carry and review his around the same time that he let me, it was the same time, he let me carry and review his Evo, and he let me carry and review his Koenig Arius. So I carried both of those knives. When I left his house, I felt like I might be enticed by the Arius. After living with those knives for about 10 days, the Arius, being a great knife, it didn't leave a lasting impression on me like the Evo did. So again, this isn't the review, guys, but it's about the same length as my PM2, just to give you a good idea on size. So this is the Evo 3.0 Custom Knife Factory. Something I've seen company, I think. I could be wrong there. Dirty Rotten Designs. See, I don't even know enough about the knife, but I will when I do the review. I know it's among the top of the top Grails, and I know that I would not have acquired it had it not been for Brother Carco reaching out, talking to me about it, making me feel comfortable about it. I know him, love him. He threw a bonus in, which I have no idea what this little guy is, but I'm going to have to look into it and I'll bring it to you. Have to reach out to him, let him know that it came. Guys, thank you so much for checking out my knife and EDC content. This was a special one, is a special one. This is one that's going to go in my pocket now. I'm going to put the Drift, which has been a great carry for a while, back in its case. I'm going to carry this guy, and I am absolutely stoked. Guys, do me a favor. As always, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.